We saw a need to change our ERP system due to lack of data quality and lack of flexibility with the old system that we have.
The sales department, they have their own system. They work in Excel and other systems. And the finance do the same. They have a lot of Excel work.
We had to go into the market and look for a new one, more modern architecture and more integration-friendly solution that could help us take Aarbakke to the next level.
Aarbakke is a model customer for RamBase. They are a best-in-class production company. They have high demands from their customers and they have high demands for their vendors. So the fit for RamBase to deliver to such a demanding customer is really good for us.
We struggle a little bit with interactions between the departments. So we think that with introducing RamBase from quote to delivery would streamline our communication and avoid having to input data many times, which is time-consuming and waste.
This is a big implementation process. They have 300 users that have to learn the system. There's setup that needs to be done. There's data migration, so it's a complex system.
It's a quite heavy workload to integrate such a complex system in a very complex operation without losing efficiency.
But I'm quite sure that we have good control. We have a professional customer and we have a professional project management that is doing really well up to now. So this will be a great implementation process.
We have a partnership more than a supplier-customer relation with RamBase, which is really valuable, and we need that to be able to reach our targets.
So now it's all 300 people is ready to start up.